We're going to show you how to make do-it-yourself chalk paint the quick and easy way using the VansieHome Chalked Paint Kit. Your chalked paint kit contains all containers, hardware, and chalk needed to paint up to 4 medium-sized pieces of furniture, such as a 5-foot dresser or a coffee table. To mix the chalk, take the small mason jar and add 1 packet of chalk to it. Then add 1 tablespoon of water and mix with a stirring stick provided. If needed, add a drop or 2 of water at a time to reach a consistency of, say, ranch dressing. Next, take the large mason jar and add in your sample or 1 cup of paint. Next, add the chalk mixture to the paint and drop in 1 or 2 of the VansieHome whiskballs. Seal the jar with a leak-proof lid provided and then just shake about a minute. You now have chalk paint ready to use. Cleanup is a breeze. Simply wash the jars and whiskballs with soap and water, rinse the stick and empty the paper cup, and store everything for reuse later. And even better, everything stores in the large jar. With all the items necessary to make chalk paint now at your fingertips in your kit, the only decisions you need to make are what project to do next and what color to make it. One of the coolest things about chalk paint is that you can use it on almost any surface. So, what are you going to make? Pick up your VansieHome Chalk Paint Kit today and get started.